Let us try to solve this question. The question number 1, part 8, cos 20 plus cos 80 minus root 3 cos 50. What we can do here is we can apply that formula cos A plus cos B. We know it is 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos of A minus B by 2 for this part. So it will become 2 cos 80 plus 20 is 100, 100 by 2 is 50, 2 cos and cos 20 minus 80 is 60, so it will be 30 minus root 3 cos 50. Now see, it is 2 cos 50 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus root 3 cos 50. So this will cancel, so it will become root 3 cos 50 minus root 3 cos 50. So the answer is supposed to be for this, for A is S, and these two options may be correct. B's are, so let's not solve B. C's this, so let's solve for C. Now to solve this one, look for the C part. C part is cos 20 plus cos 40. Cos 60 we already knew, it is by 2 minus 4 cos 10 cos 20 into root 3 by 2. So what we'll do is cos 20, cos C plus cos D, again we'll apply that formula. 2 cos C plus D by 2 is 30. Cos C minus D by 2 is 10 plus half minus 2. Root 3 will put like this, root 3 into 2 cos A cos B. It is cos of 2 cos A cos B is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So we'll write like this, cos of A plus B is 30, cos of A minus B is 10. So it will become 2 cos 10 cos 30 minus root 3 into cos 30 plus cos 10. So now cos 30 we know it is root 3 by 2. So it will become root 3 cos 10 minus root 3 cos 30 minus root 3 cos 10. So these are cancelled. It will be minus root 3 to cos 3. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 again. So it will be minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 should be our answer. Not there. Acha, but I think we have not added 1 by 2 here. Because this 1 by 2 was there, no? We forgot to add this. Plus half, plus half, plus half is to be added. So it will become minus 2 by 2. So the answer should be minus 1. That means P part, the answer should be P. Option B has to be the correct one. This is actually solved. You need not solve it further if you want. Okay. Now let's come to the second one. This is our second question. Let's solve it. The question is this Sk is this. So for some natural number k, Sk they have given it is sine power kx plus cos power kx. Now we have to find the value of mn according to this relation. So see, S1 will be what? It will be sine x plus cos x. Now S3 if we take, it will be sine cube x plus cos cube x. Now they have given the relation is this. So let's equate them and try to find the relation. So sine cube x plus cos cube x is equal to 1 by m into n into sine x plus cos x minus sine x plus cos x whole cube is there. Sine cube x plus cos cube x will be equal to 1 by m into, let's expand it now, sin x plus cos x, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now this becomes sine cube x plus cos cube x is equal to n by m into sine x plus cos x minus sine cube x by m minus cos cube x by n by m minus 3 sine square x cos x by m minus 3 sin x cos square x by m. It's becoming somewhat difficult. Then we'll try to do it in different way, not by equating like this. We'll try to remove sin x and cos x terms in this. The other way that we can do is, because see, S3 is given to us, it is sin qx plus cos qx. I can write this as a plus b into a square minus a plus b square. So it will be sin x plus cos x into sin square x minus sin x cos x plus cos square x. Like that. Now this will become sin x plus cos x into sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So it will be 1 minus sin x cos x. Now see, this is sin x plus cos x is actually 1, s1. And we need to put this value of sin x cos x in terms of s1 or something s1 square like that. So because we know if we do s1 square, which is sin x plus cos x whole square, it will become sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. So it will become 1 plus 2 sin x cos x. So I'll substitute the value of sin x cos x from here. So sin x cos x will become 1 minus s1 square by 2. And I can substitute now in the above equation. So it became s3 is equal to s1 into 1 minus s1 square by, let me change it, 1 minus s1 square by 2. Let's try to simplify it. So it will become s3 is equal to s1 into 2 minus 1 plus s1 square by 2. So it will become s3 is equal to s1 into 1 plus s1 square by 2. The relation I am getting is s3 is equal to s1 plus s1 cube whole by 2. They have given minus. How? Acha, 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 I have done one mistake here. Wait, sorry. It will be s1 square minus 1 half plus minus. It will be plus. This is minus. See the silly mistakes. Three minus s1 square by 2. So it will become 3s1 minus s1 cube by 2 is equal to s3. So the relation I'm getting is s3 is equal to 3s1 minus s1 cube by 2. If we compare it, we'll get ms2 ns3. So they want us to get the value of m plus n. So it will be 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So this should be our answer. So this is new question. The question is question number 3. Let they have given cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to half, and again sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 1 by 3. So cos alpha plus cos beta formula is 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos of alpha minus b by 2 is equal to half. Sin plus sin beta formula is 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. Now this is your first equation, this is your second equation. If you want, see, they're asking cos alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 value. So just divide 2 by 1, you will get 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 1 by 3, or divided by 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 is 1 by 2. So they will get cancelled. So tan alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. You are getting. The answer should be, for the option A, the answer should be No, sorry. Not for this. For tan alpha, if this for C, the answer should be Q. For if you got the value of tan of alpha plus beta by 2, you can easily get the value of tan cos and sine also if you want. See how? This is 2 by 3. This will be 13. 13. So if you take this is alpha plus beta by 2. So your cos of alpha plus beta by 2 will be 3 by root 13. So it will be R. So this is R. So trying to get the value cos of alpha minus beta by 2. This is your first equation. No. This one is our first equation. This is our second equation. Just do one thing to get the value of cos of alpha plus alpha minus beta square and n. So you will have 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 will come out into cos square alpha plus beta by 2 plus sin square alpha plus beta by 2. We know cos square alpha plus beta by 2 sin square alpha beta by 2 is 1. So it will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9. So this part is 1. So cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 13 36. Or cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 13 by 4 into 35. The cos of alpha minus beta by 2 has become root 13 by root 36 into 4, which will be root 13 by 6 into 2, which is root 13 by 12. So cos of alpha minus beta by 2 is E. Now obviously E, Q, R are done. So the value of tan of alpha minus beta by 2 is S only. This is your solution. But if you want to solve this value, you can easily solve it by again making a triangle. Make a triangle. This cos of alpha minus beta by 2, which is root 13. This is 12. This is alpha minus beta by 2. If you want, you can find out this value. Okay, root 113, 131. So tan of alpha minus beta by 2 will be root 132. Okay, move on to the next question. See, this question is your fourth question. Now, how to solve this? So they ask us the value of sine of alpha plus beta. We know sine of alpha plus sine alpha plus sine beta is it's already given. So let's not write it again. This is your 1, this is your 2. You can write this as 2 sine alpha plus beta by 2 cos of alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. This will be your 1. And 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos of alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 1 by 3. This is your second equation. So divide 1 by 2. It will be tan of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 3 by 4 you will get. Now they have asked you the value of sine of alpha plus beta. So how you will solve? Because we know sine 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by what? By 1 plus tan square theta it is. So sine of 2 of alpha plus beta by 2, which is sine alpha plus beta, is equal to 2 tan of alpha plus beta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha plus beta by 2. So it will be 2 into 3 by 4 by 1 plus 9 by 16. So it will be 6 by 4 by 25 by 16. So it will be 24 by 25. 25 by 4 and divided by 4. So the answer is 24 by 25. Now this is the next question. The value of cos of the same question. They have asked you the value of cos of alpha plus beta. So here, see, from the above question, we can find out tan of alpha plus beta by 2. We have found out by dividing tan of alpha plus beta by 2. In similar steps, 1, 2, tan of alpha by 2 is equal to 3 by 4 we'll get. The cos of alpha plus beta by 2 is cos of alpha plus beta. To find this, we know that formula cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and that formula I'll be using here. Cos of alpha plus beta is cos of 2 into alpha plus beta by 2. So it will be 1 minus tan square alpha plus beta by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha plus beta by 2. So it will be 1 minus 9 by 16 by 1 plus 9 by 16. So it will be 7 by 16 by 25 by 16. So 7 by 25. Answer is 7 by 25. Very easy question. Now this is, I think, the question number 6. This is question number 5. This is question number 6. The product of maximum and minimum value they have asked. This sine square theta, we can write sine square theta as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Again, sine theta cos theta as sine 2 theta by 2. And cos square theta as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So this expression that is given to us, it will become 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 plus 3 by 2 sine 2 theta plus 5 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta. So we try to simplify it, it will become 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it is 6 by 2, it is 3 plus 5 minus 1 by 2 into cos 2 theta. For your simplification, let me write it like that. 5 plus 1 by 2. 5 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 sine 2 theta. Now this has become 3 plus 2 cos 2 theta plus 3 by 2 sine 2 theta. Now we know, we have learned a cos theta plus b sine theta. The maximum and minimum value are, minimum value is minus root over a square plus b square, and max value is plus root over a square plus b square. Here this is a and this is b. So it will become 3 plus its max value, 3 plus its minimum value. This expression minimum value is minus root over 2 square plus 9 by 4, and its maximum value will be 3 plus root over 2 square plus 9 by 4. It is, I'm squaring it, that's all. 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4. If you want, I can write. No point. 3 minus 4 plus 9 by 4. Here it is 3 plus 9 by 4. Go to the max here. 3 minus 5 by 2. It will be 3 plus 5 by 2. So the minimum value became 1 by 2. And max value became 11 by 2. The product will become 11 into 1 by 2 into 2, that is 11 by 4. This should be your answer. Easy, very easy. Let's move on to the next question. This is question number 7. Question number 7. We know sine 3x is e sin x minus 4 sine cube x, I think. E sin x minus 4 sine cube x. So sine cube x will become 3 sine x minus sine 3x by 4. Similarly, cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So it will become, cos cube x will become cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4. So we'll put these values in place of sine cube x and cos cube x. So it will become 3 sine x minus sine 3x by 4 into cos 3x plus cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4 into sine 3x will be equal to 3 by 8. Let's cancel these out. So 3 sine x cos 3x minus sine 3x cos 3x plus cos 3x sin 3x plus 3 cos x sin 3x is equal to 3 by 2 is there. So we can cancel these out. A similar terms. So 3 into sin x cos 3x plus cos x sin 3x is equal to 3 by 2 you are getting. 3 will get cancelled again. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, this formula is sin of a plus b, that is sin x plus 3x. That is 1 by 2. That means sin 4x is equal to half. This is our answer. So sin 4x should be equal to half. This question is solved. This is your next question. This is 8th one. Cos 2 pi by 7 is there. Cos 2 pi by 7 plus cos 4 pi by 7 plus cos 6 pi by 7 is there. We have to find out the value of this. What we'll do, just substitute pi by 7 as x, so it will be easy to find. So it will become cos 2x plus cos 4x plus cos 6x. So what you do, you just multiply and divide with sin x, 2 sin x. So it will become 2 sin x cos 2x plus 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. Now see, this will be what? 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. This will become 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. This will become 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. This will become 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. This will become 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. This will become 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. This will become 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. This will become 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. This will become 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. This will become 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. This will become 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. This will become 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. This will become 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 sin x cos 6x. This will become 2 sin x cos 4x plus 2 Sin A, 2 sin A cos B. So it will be sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Minus sin x will come. Plus sin of A plus B minus sin 3x sin of A minus B plus sin of A minus B. Here sin of A plus B minus of A minus B, which is sin 5x. Now see, it's become very simple now. Sin 3x will cancel with this, sin 5x will cancel with this. So the only thing that is remaining is 1 by 2 sin x into sin 7x minus sin x. This is C. Now put the value. 1 by 2 sin x is there. Sin pi by 7, put that value of x. This will be sin of 7 into pi by 7 minus sin pi by 7. This is sin pi is 0, so this value will become 0. 1 by 2 into sin pi by 7 by sin pi by 7, also minus is also there. So minus 1 by 2 answer you are going to. So the answer of this is 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. So the value of r that you are getting here is r is equal to minus 1 by 2. They have asked you the value of 8 mod r, that is 8 into 1 by 2. So it will be 4. 4 has to be your answer. This question, this is supposed to be your 9th question. See, this is sin 30. Acha, sin 30 into sin 10, sin 50 and sin 70. If you remember, this is actually similar to the formula sin theta into sin of 60 minus theta into sin of 60 plus theta. The result of that is sin p theta by 4. This is an identity I have made you to prove in the class. So we will be using it here. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So sin here tan becomes theta. So it will be sin 10 into sin of 60 minus 10 into sin of 60 plus 10. So it will become 1 by 2 into sin of 3 into 10 whole divided by 4. 1 by 2 into sin 30 by 4. 1 by 2 into 4 into 1 by 2. 1 by 16. So the value of q you are getting is 1 by 16. They have asked 32q. So it will be 32 by 16. 2. The answer is 2. This is question number 10. The question is this. Root 3 cosecant 20 I can write as sin 20 minus 1 by cos 20. So it will become root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20 by sin 20 cos 20. So let's multiply and divide by 2. Acha, I'll do one thing. Root 3 by 2 into cos 20 minus 1 by 2 into sin 20. 2 I'll multiply outside. Divided by 2 sin 20 into cos 20. I'll divide with 2. So it will become 4 sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So it will be sin A, sin 30. No, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So I can write this as sin 60 cos 20 minus cos 60 sin 20 whole divided by 2 sin A cos B is sin 2A. So 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So it will be sin 40. Now 4 into sin A cos B minus cos sin is sin of A minus B. So it will be sin 60 minus 20 by sin 40. It's 4 into sin 40 by sin 40. Cancelled. 4 should be your correct answer. 4 is our answer. This is question number 11. The question is tan square 20 minus sin square 20 by tan square 20 into sin square 20. What is this? It's very easy I think. It's tan square 20 by tan square 20 sin square 20 minus sin square 20 by tan square 20 to sin square 20. Now see, these are going to be cancelled. So it will become cosecant square 20 minus cot square 20. And we already know cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So the answer should be 1. It's very easy. Very easy.